Let's start with audit of trust. Audit of trust, we have in the chart 4 questions, and of course, we have our legendary song of Tari Gin Gin. Okay, so that will go ahead. Let's start with this. Please here. First, first is we have something called a legal framework. Second, we have books of accounts. Third, working papers. And fourth, what evidence should working papers provide? Okay. Legal framework, let's start. I told you in the class you have to do it in FFT. FFT is Formation Foreign Tax. In formation, you will see if there is any Public Trust Act of the state. If not there, then you will go for the Indian Trust Act 1882. You don't want to go with these laws, then there's another option to go for Societies Registration Act 1860. You don't want that also, you want corporate status, go for it. You can go for Section 8 of the Companies Act 2013. That is what you will do. Simple. Next one. Foreign, if some, if the trust is involved with foreign contribution, the money is coming from a foreign country. In that case, you have to look into FCRA, Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010, and of course, Income Tax Act. You can only get the exemption if you're registered under Income Tax Act 1961. That is what we did. Okay. What gets covered in the books of accounts of the trust? Let's start. First, we look at the original bills and the copies of bills. We look at that. Then, very simple, we check the journal, ledger, other book, cash book. We check these areas. Finance statement should be made with AS in mind and checked by the auditor, keeping SAs in mind. Very simple, too easy. Working papers, we had done a code called wind juice. Wind juice. Wind juice is what? Whether work done is properly documented in the working papers. Second, proper information explanation, whether it has been received or not, we'll document. D is decisions that you have taken regarding, let's say, materiality benchmark, number of people to do the audit, what work, who will check, all these things, what areas who will check, that will get covered. Judicial pronouncements that you are following, any court decision that you are complying with, and any certificates that we have received from the management regarding any matter, confirmation of any matter, that will get covered in this matter. Okay. What evidence should the working papers provide? Let's go with this. Working papers should provide that whether information is full and complete or not, reasonable tests whether they are complete and accurate or not, cognizance of information. Basically, the auditor should be very well aware. That should be very clear looking at the working papers. And last is only after doing everything properly, the working papers should be maintained in such a manner that auditor's opinion expressed makes sense. Only then the auditor should express his opinion. That is what we see here. Okay. Now after that, we sing our song. Let's start. Audit of trust, the main song, it is there till point number R. And we don't leave a single point aside. We do all the points. That's the rule. Let's start. First, 1, 2, 3, start. Accounts are maintained regularly, receipts and disbursements, cash balance and vouchers in the custody of the manager, books, deeds, accounts, vouchers, register of properties. Manager furnishes necessary info. O for object, O for outstanding, pro for provisions, irregular, illegal, improper expenditure, maximum number of trustees maintained, meeting minutes, interest in the investments, debtor or creditor, anonymous donations, irregularities in accounts, deputy or assistant, charity commissioner. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Hey, इश्क तेरा तड़पावे. Easy, simple. Imagine on the exam day if you wrap up this entire page with a song. What satisfaction you get.